Hi, boys and girls, welcome back. Hi, boys and girls, welcome back. So, do you remember the boy and the girl puppet? Yes, right? Yeah. You've been learning about feelings, feelings in your body, about how those feelings make you feel. Let's see what the boy is up to. Do you remember how to check your body and begin to calm down? Put your hands on your tummy and say, stop. That's right. Help! Help! Oh, help! What's wrong? What happened? I was playing outside by the fence. A great big dog ran at the fence and he barked really loud at me. It was scary. Having a big dog run at you and bark does sound scary. It sounds like you're having very strong feelings. Mm-hmm. Boys and girls, what can you tell the girl puppet? What can she do to calm down? What is that? If you said put your hands on your tummy, then pat your head. Oh, okay. He said it first and I didn't hear it. Sorry. So you put your hands on your tummy and you say what? Stop. Can you do that? Put your hands on your tummy and say stop. That's right. It will help you start to calm down when you're having strong, uncomfortable feelings in your body. I'm glad that you're learning how to do this. So now, the next thing to do is name some feelings. Let's see if you can do both parts. Hands on your tummy, both of you. Put your hands on your tummy. You two boys and girls, put your hands on your tummy. And repeat. Say stop. Then say your feelings. Scared. Worried. My turn. Tired. Happy. So we're talking about strong feelings. So you guys did a great job. You guys did a great job doing these things. This will help you calm down. Let's do it one more time. Put your hands on your tummy. Say stop. Stop. Everything will be okay. Stop. I'm okay. So whether you're feeling frightened, scared, anxious, worried, so tired, just put your hands on your tummy and say stop. Very good, boys and girls. You did a good job. Thank you for your help. Good job, boys and girls.